Hello, it's me again, CJ Hustle, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about an important feature in Chaos World. MMORPG, the cross-ramp system. If you want to convert your in-game assets into tokens, or convert tokens back into game assets, cross-ramp is the feature you need to learn. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to access cross-ramp, how to assemble and disassemble assets, connect your cross-wallet, and complete the conversion process. So if you're playing Chaos World and you want to understand the token economy, make sure to watch until the end. Let's begin. First, what exactly is cross-ramp? Cross-ramp is a system that allows players to interact with their in-game assets and convert them through supported token pairs. Step 1. Open main menu. Let's start. From the main Chaos World screen, look at the upper right corner. You will see the menu icon. Tap the 3-line menu button. This opens the full system menu where you can find different options like character, inventory, settings, and other features. Step 2. Find cross-ramp. Inside the menu, look for the cross-ramp button. It has its own dedicated logo. Tap cross-ramp and it will open the cross-ramp interface through your internet browser. This is where we will do the conversion process. Step 3. Choose Assemble or Disassemble. Now inside the cross-ramp browser page, you will see two options. First is Assemble. Choose this if you want to convert your Chaos World assets into tokens. Select your available asset, choose the amount, and check the exchange value. The second option is Disassemble. Choose this if you want to convert your tokens back into in-game assets. Select the token amount, check the available pair, and continue. Step 4. Set value and connect wallet. After selecting your option, set your exchange value, then press the Connect Wallet button. Now the browser will display a QR code. Keep this page open because we need it for wallet authentication. Step 5. Connect Cross Wallet. Now open your Cross Wallet app on your phone. Inside the Wallet app, find the Scan option. Use the camera to scan the QR code shown on your browser. After scanning, approve the connection request on your mobile device. This links your wallet with cross-ramp. Step 6. Complete transaction. After authentication is completed, go back to your browser. Continue the remaining steps to finalize your assemble or disassemble process. Once everything is successful, your conversion is complete. Your assets or tokens should now be updated depending on your selected action. And that's how you use cross-ramp in Chaos World MMORPG. This feature is very important for players who want to participate in the cross ecosystem and manage their assets. I hope this guide helped you understand the process. Thanks for watching.